Today we're going to learn how to add a blur transition, a simple but powerful way to create smooth flow between two clips. Let's jump in. First, make sure you've placed two clips side by side on your timeline. Then tap the white square between the two clips. This opens the transitions menu. Now, scroll through the categories and tap on blur. You'll see several blur transitions available like Woosh Blur for a fast swipe effect, vertical blur if you want motion from top to bottom, and Radial Blur for a more dynamic zoom-like feel. Once you pick a blur effect you like, use the duration slider to control how long the transition lasts. Slide it left for a quick blur or right for a slower, more cinematic effect. When you're happy with it, just tap the check mark to apply. And that's it. You've now added a smooth blur transition in CapCut Mobile. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials.